What's up guys, this is Emmanuel from Shine Graphics. This is part 7 of the full wrap. This is for the front bumper, okay? Okay guys, today I'm gonna do the front bumper, but also I broke my front lip. Here I have the pieces. So I already got a new rain gutter to create a new one. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna wrap this and make the new lip. But if you wanna see how I make the lip, I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description and here on the top of the video, okay? You can check it out how I made the front lip, the spoiler. Okay, that one I'm not gonna put it on the video. But this one, I'm gonna do the front bumper. This one is, I think it's not that hard because this bumper it has a division here. So I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces. I'm gonna do this piece and then I'm gonna do the other piece with the half. I can cut the vinyl in half in here. So I'm gonna do this piece and then the other piece. For this one, the only thing that I have to remove is this and this. Okay guys, I had to remove the bumper because this one, I don't know if you can see it, it has screws over here, so I couldn't remove it without removing the bumper. Okay, so to remove it you have to remove the 6 screws from the bottom and 2 clips over here and unclip this one, the sensor, and remove the connection and the connections for the LEDs for the bumper. Okay, to remove the grill you only have to remove the 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. With those 4 screws you just unclip it and that's it. You can remove it. Okay, to remove the LEDs it's only one, I think only 1, 2 screws. One on the bottom and one over here. I think with removing those 2 it will come out. And it has 1 clip over there. So 2 screws and 1 clip here. Okay? Okay, I already put it back. The reason I always put it back because when you're putting the vinyl on stretching the vinyl, if the bumper is not with the clips, it will fall down. So that's why you have to clip it back in this area, okay? So I already removed the grill and this piece, this part. I think I'm gonna put an inlay because I don't want this thing to start lifting like in a year. So I want this thing to last longer. So I'm gonna put an inlay in this part right here, okay? Okay, now here you can see the inlay where I put it. There. And here. Then I stuck it inside here, okay? So now, before you put the other sheet of vinyl, put the knifeless tape first in here, the closest you can, so that the inlay is gonna be almost well, somebody is gonna see it, but it's gonna be hard to see it, okay? So let's do the next step. For this area, I'm gonna remove the bumper and then tuck the vinyl in and then cut it. So I'm gonna unclip it over there and then pull it and cut it. Tuck it and cut it. Okay, one side is done. You can see it here. The color, super nice. So you can see how I did it here. On the bottom. Okay, and the other side is the same process. Okay, so let's do now the other side. Okay guys, that's how it looks. I still have to do the front lip, but that one I'm not gonna put it in the video. I'm gonna show you after it's ready, you will see it. Okay, so this is how it looks, the whole wrap. Okay guys, that's the front bumper. It looks amazing. It looks super cool, you can see it there. So let me know what you guys think of the full wrap. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.